Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, we're already up over $700 in the past week of swing trading. In the past 2 days, we're up $700. So we're going to be talking about the strategy, the approach behind this stock here that we're trading. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn how to find these opportunities, how to find these stocks, check out our school. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years of trading. So check it out down below, and you guys can use code TRADER to get 51% off. So sign up, use that code. I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week here, we're already up over $700, which is absolutely fantastic. But, a lot of you watching this video are going to go, oh my gosh, this is so easy. No, trading is not easy. Trading is one of the most difficult things you guys can do, but there's things that you can do to help jumpstart your swing trading and trading. The first thing being journaling your trades. Journaling. You guys will look at our journal here in a second, but more importantly, why I love to journal is because you can figure out what's working in the market, what's not working, and go heavy in on what's working and following that approach. So let's turn to the computer and look at our more recent swing trade. All right, so this is our handy dandy swing trading journal here. And why I absolutely love this is because you guys can see, we can figure out our weekly overview. We're in right now on actually 2 positions here, and we're up about $729 this past week here. I definitely think that this stock will easily push over that $1,000 profit. $1,000 a week keeps the job away, so that's absolutely fantastic. But looking at why I love this here is looking at our trading dashboard and even our monthly overview, we can see what stocks and what type of strategy is performing well. So the breakout approach is the best approach right now for our trading. So now as we place trades and we figure out what to do, these are the strategies you guys should be focusing on. So let's actually look at the trade here. So we took a trade on PWP. Now, PWP here, looking at this, you guys will see here that we have this beautiful, beautiful upward trend. It has great tendencies of getting support on this blue line, which is called the 90-day EMA line. EMA lines act as trend indication, and they also act as support and resistance. When a stock is above it, like it is up here, we'll see good tendencies of getting great support. But, when the stock sells off below it, you guys can see it hits them, and it just has that hard time breaking up above that. So now here, as we look at it, the stock sold off in the past, hit it, and we had a good move. Recently sold off down to that same 90-day moving average line. Now, do we place a trade just off of this? Absolutely not. We want to look at other indicators. Another indicator I use here is called the RSI. The RSI is trading for a 34. The last time it was trading for a 34 was back in this range where we saw the stock go from 22 to 26. So now here, my thought process was entering here at about 23 for a push up to 26, keeping our stops just below that. But now do you place the trade? No, you want to look at other time frames. One of the time frames that I would highly recommend looking at is the hourly chart. The hourly chart here is so incredibly important because you can figure out a little bit more detail of what's going on with the stock here. So you guys will see that we had this general downward trend where it hits this kind of trend line. We had great tendencies of getting sell-off. We set an alert above this trend line for something called a trend line breakout. We set the alert, the stock popped up, and that's where we got in, near and around that 23.20 mark. Setting our alert there gave us preparation to be prepared, and the stock pushed up above that same 90-day moving average line, so that blue line. Now it's acting as support here. So we could see the next resistance up here at 24.20, but now the thought process was this, right? We'll go to our long position tool. People online really don't like this tool for some odd reasons because of the colors. Yes, the colors look weird, but let me show you how it works. So what you do is you click the price of your entry point. You plan out your stop And it looks weird because of the green and the red. That's just how it is. That's just how it is with Mumu. Yes, I'm sure there's a way you can change it, but I've always used it this way. So if it bothers you that much, guys, you guys are more than welcome to adjust it. So now we have our stop loss just below that trend right here. You guys can see the trend of support right here. We can zoom in a little bit here. So we have our stop loss just below these points for a push up to resistance. Resistance is where we have great tendencies of getting selling pressure. You guys can see this window up here, that red window. It hits this several times and we just have great sell off, right? So now that's the resistance. So that's the target up here. So it's about a 4-to-1 risk and reward. Now, meaning we are risking $1 to make over $4 a share. You might be saying, Carter, well, how does that even work? Well, let me explain to you. If you guys are starting out with, like, let's just say $100, which most of you guys start out with, you find a stock like this once a week. You risk, in this spot, we're risking about 3.69% with a risk and reward of about 4-to-1. Now, with this type of trades, you could lose money 60% of the time. So your win is only 40%. And guess what, guys? With $100 at the end of the year, your total account is going to be sitting near around $500, which might not seem like much, absolutely. But imagine you guys now have $1,000, right? Or whatever it may be. Now you're looking at $5,000. Now, if you guys had $10,000, and that's the thing about trading is once you have a profitable strategy, the only thing that's separating you from making more money is just your account size. So just focus on small returns that compound over time. Nobody gets rich quick. I'm sorry to say it. The people online that claim it's easy or it's an easy way to get rich quick, they probably don't trade often. They probably just post online. When in reality, most successful swing traders, like myself and other people I know, they make money off those 1, 2, 3% returns, but they just have it compounded over a year, over 2 years, and that's where you make your money. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. More importantly, hope you guys learned something. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more, check out our school code trader to get 51% off. And guys, the broker I am using is Mumu. I'll put a link to them down below as well, up to 20 free stocks just by signing up. So click that link, sign up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, everybody. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.